Hi partners! So today is my third month in the business in Supreme Wealth Alliances. As I promised, I'm going to update you what will happen to me after 3 months. So this is it. Ano na nga ba nangyari sa $55 na investment ko? So medyo malayo-layo na narating. First, I was able to travel to United Kingdom. So yung pocket money ko, doon na nanggaling. So almost $600 or $700 ang nagamit ko doon. Pangalawa, nakapag-build na ako ng team ko. Hindi lang sa Canada, kundi na-expand ko pa in different countries. I have Dubai, I have Abu Dhabi, I have Qatar, I have Hong Kong, I have Taiwan, I have Singapore, I have Norway, I have United States of America, then Canada, syempre, Philippines as well. At syempre ngayon, may isa akong malaking grupo sa Saudi Arabia. So, paano nga ba ginagawa ko? Baka sabihin, iniisip ng iba na ay kasi marami ako kakilala. Kaya lumaki ang network ko. It's not true. So, one thing that really helps me is just because I'm having a full-time job. I work like 10 hours a day. So, what I did is just like through the help of my vlogs. The vlogs really helps me a lot. Kasi syempre, sa katulad nating working, at medyo malaking responsibility, because I work as a manager. So, medyo mahabang oras na required ko. So, ginagawa ko, the first thing in the morning, so, ginagawa ko lang, nagwa-vlogs na ako. Aside from vlogging, I join different groups. So, let's say, for example, I join like Filipino in Singapore, Filipino in Taiwan, Filipino in different countries, right? So, doon, giiwan ako ng vlogs. At the end of the day, or after my shift, check ko kung may views ba yung vlogs ko. So, mas mabilis, mas madaling mag-follow up. So, wala namang masyadong mahirap actually if you're just having fun. Simple lang, di ba? So, go back to the basic. As much possible, you should learn the basic how to do the presentation. Sometimes, it takes a lot of hours para mag-explain. Pero kung may vlogs kang ginagamit, tapos sinesend mo lang sa friend mo doon or nililib mo lang sa group, so mas madali kasi na-screen mo na yung interesado at hindi. Hindi ka naman nililigaw isa-isa, right? So, kung talagang interested sila, it's easy closing. That's the good thing about vlogs. One thing more, syempre, para habilis ang pag-grow ng team mo, kailangan may follow-up ka din, di ba? So, nagtataka sila, sabi nila sa akin, ay siguro marami kang friends other countries, which is not true. So, through the help of my vlogs, and through the help, syempre, ng mga partners ko, downlines ko, kaya lumaki network ko. Hindi mo naman kailangan kumuha ng 5 bawat bansa, right? Gusto mo talaga isa lang. Like let's say you have friend in that country, particular country, usually like say Dubai. Ligawan mo, 'di ba? So you have to build relationship. Yung atake, hindi agad-agad business presentation. As much possible, you have to build relationship with them. Hanggang sa ma-break mo na yung ice. Kasi minsan, pagka pinasahan mo agad na, oh, do you know that this business I have SWA and you're gonna make a lot of money. So parang naging dating sa kanila, parang hindi siya realistic. So, kunin mo interest, 'di ba? More on communication, tapos pag okay na ang lahat, then pwede mo siyang banatan na, oh, friend, baka gusto mo naman ng meron akong online business ngayon. Baka gusto mong i-try. So, ganun kasimple. Hindi naman hindrance yung medyo busy ka sa work. Sino bang hindi busy, di ba? The question is, are you willing to make money using your Facebook? That's a question. Pero kung gusto mo talaga ng kumita, maraming paraan, di ba? Let's say, ako working at mahaba oras ko, ano ba pwede natin gawin, di ba? So, kailangan i-maximize natin yung time natin. So, time management is very important. You don't have to do Facebook all day. No need. So you have to like bring your laptop or just use your cell phone all the time. So at least 2 hours a day or 4 hours and during your off. So kahit ilang oras pwede ka, right? So from $55, nag-start ako sa 20. Siyempre, I start make 20, naging 70, tapos nag-150, lumaki ng lumaki, naging 200, hanggang sa nag-500, nag-1,000, 'di ba? Nag-1,500, now nag-2,000, tas 3,000. Now, as of yesterday, yung update ko ng huling earnings ko is like $3,500. So medyo malaki na, 'di ba? From $55 naging $3,500. So parang, I can't really imagine. It's overwhelming actually. Kung tutuusin, kahit saan ka magpunta, you'll not make that money. Nag-average na ako ng 55, halos 55,000 a month kung i-average mo dahil 3 months lang ako. So nag-make na ako ng more or less nasa 160,000. That's a big amount of money. So kahit saan ka magpunta, hindi madaling kitain yan. Halos isang buwang sweldo ko na yung 15 days ko ng sweldo yung kalahati ng sweldo ko, right? Yung $55 na yan. So, tax-free. So, dun pa lang, so parang hindi ka natalo aside from meron kang books which is different kinds of books yung makikita mo sa SWA library. So, pwede mong i-download anytime. So, hindi ka natalo. So, kung nag-iisip ka na parang ang hirap naman yan kasi wala akong time, so less yung time ko, mahaba oras ko sa work, tapos paano ko pa isingit yan? So, madali lang. So, may mga paraan para mabilis mapalago ang network mo. Like what I've said, join the groups, use the blogs, and that's it. So, malaking bagay yon. So, if you will see, yung kinita ko, medyo malaki-laki na. Ito, just clean ko lang to the other day. This is worth 57,000 peso. So, kinita ko to, hindi naman to isang araw nakita. Kinita ko to siguro umabot ako ng mga halos 2 linggo. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha everyday yung pera sa bangko or sa Western Union kasi I have work and I have to travel like 45 minutes from here going to Western Union. So, simple lang, di ba? So, if I were you guys, don't think too much. If you wanna join the business, start right now. So, don't waste your time. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye.